For real. You dig? Whole lot of yak shit. Whole lot of yak. Yeah, that's 7 minutes ago. Motherfucking 5. Dig? 5. Yeah. Straight up. Straight up. Yeah. That's my love. About you every day.
I
read the book, my boy put 5 on it. I'm on my way up to the top, now watch me rise on it. Fall that pussy, take that bump, don't make me grind on you. Shut my little business, ain't nothing friendly, I ain't got time, homie. You did. Say it's my time, now watch me shine, homie. Let y'all the sweet think she for me, but I ain't mine. I didn't fuck with you, ain't no gun on me. One of a kind, I put a prize on it. The way she screaming that she love it, I put that butt up fire on it. Fuck the whole crew, cut it loose, I cut the ties on it. Now I can only fuck with you if you gon' ride for it. Tell me, would you really ride for me? Call them lies, I ain't got time for it. You did, stacking my money, took my time, took my time. Ain't nobody gon' stop when I told them that I'm bustin' mine. Me damn saggy, I got that fire right on my side. Ain't rippin' on my shirt, you see that G and you see that fire. That disrespect, I told you, boy, don't you walk up on that line. Yeah, I'm real disrespectful with this shit, I'm one of a kind. You got them hitters with me, told you boys you ain't that right one. Told you boy, don't knock your ass on sight, huh? Told you boys I'ma blast the fight, huh? More to come back, finish up that fight, huh? I'ma bust it down for the night one. Told you boys that I'm a special kid, I'm on the top, yeah. Nigga laughing at me, but they know I'm on that block down. Told you boys I'm on that block, selling the rock down. Fucking on your bitches off the purse, I'm in like goddamn. Goddamn, I got spam. Goddamn, I'm on, yo, work it out, man.